Now I will be showing you an example of writing coverage in a class, that too in a UVM class. So if you are familiar with the UVM methodology, you can go through this session, and if you are not familiar, you can ignore this session. So the same coverage scenarios which we have written in the coverage module can be written into the coverage class. So you need to write a class explicitly for that. So here I have written a class called AXI bus coverage, which is extending from the UVM subscriber, and it is parameterized with the AXI transactions. So the AXI transaction is defined as an extension of UVM sequence item with these values in this field. So there is a enumerated read write type, which is RW, and an ID, length, address, and data. So here in the coverage definition, in the coverage definition class, there is a member called transaction TXN, and in the cover group we'll be using this TXN to sample the values. Thus this is a cover group definition, cover group with this particular name. There is no sampling event specified, note that, and you can give the options if you want. And the first cover point defined is the transaction type, which is TX, where I am sampling the TXN.RW with the name of TXN type. So you can see this RW and ADDR, ID, length, all these are the fields in the transaction class. The same way I have written the cover group cover points for ADDR, ID, and length, and also defined a cross coverage for all these. And note that the cover group name is TXN valcov. Now in the new function of this class, I have, after calling the super.new function, I have explicitly created an instance of this cover group. So note that this instance name and the cover group name are same. So there is no declaration of this particular instance. So the cover group name itself is used as the instance name, and I have just newed it. So this is a way in which you write cover group in a class. So you will be using the same name that of the cover group name as the instance name. So this is a write function. The write function in the UVM subscriber will get called whenever there is a write into the airport of the subscriber. So when this is called, you will be getting at AXI transaction type transaction into this function, and you are assigning the transaction to this TXN. Now TXN has all the values that is passed through this passed transaction T. Now we can sample this cover group, because this cover group is sampling the TXN, the inbuilt member TXN here. As you can see, the TXN.read write ADDR are sampled in the cover group. Thus, when you sample this TXN valcov.sample, all these values will be sampled according to the cover point definition and will be added to the coverage report. So this is how you define a cover group in a class and use it in the simulation.